welcome to Java Express channel. So this is Venkat Bhaskar. Today we are going to discuss one of the important annotation at the rate put mapping in Spring Boot. Okay, we'll see in this session a theory part like how the real-time examples will be there in Facebook or Gmail. Okay, first we'll understand what it is put mapping. Then I will go through the gmail.com. Then where it is using exactly, we'll discuss. Okay, so now try to see in the previous tutorial, I explained about the post mapping. If you want to store some record in database, so we gone through and we developed the logic and we created one employee object also. Okay, in the same project, we are going to update with the put mapping in the future sessions also. I will update delete mapping and get mapping also. All annotations will apply in that employee project. Okay, so why we need put mapping means already one record is exist in database. Assume that some employee object you created in previous project, right? If you want to update some data, okay, then you need to use at the rate put mapping. This is rest standard methods we need to use. This is a good way of writing programming. Okay, at the rate put mapping previously we used to do while developing your Spring-based application, Spring MVC, before Spring Boot, we used to follow this is the way, this is the shortcut notation. Instead of the put mapping, you can use at the rate request mapping method equal to request method dot post. Okay, this is the shortcut of put mapping, so you no need to write the full with method equal to in this way. So just you need to use the put mapping and you need to provide a specific URL. Okay, I hope you guys are clear what is put mapping. Okay, now try to see some examples. Now assume that you are running your project. Okay, it is running on 8080 port number and you are updating some employee details. So this is your employee. This is employee URL. See, this ID is a primary key. This ID is nothing but a path variable. Later I will discuss about what is a path variable. As of now, try to think about at the rate put mapping. I hope you guys are clear. And ID is a dynamic. Maybe I will provide any ID. Right now we were testing from the postman. Just you want to check really this put mapping annotation is working or not. We will check in the postman. In the real time, if anyone develop the UI based applications, there they will configure your all REST methods in the UI part, so that you will get have a clear idea when you inspect in the browser. You can see which is the post request, which is the get request. Everything we can see by using in the browser itself. Okay, I hope you guys are clear how what is a put mapping and what is the importance, right? So let me open a Google Chrome. Here let me open the gmail.com. Whenever you open the gmail.com, the UI will be loaded, right? Whenever if you create an account, okay, now you are able to see you need to provide first name, last name, username. Whenever you click next and next and finally you are submitting a button submit. Whenever if you use the submit, immediately it will hit the backend server and it will be execute at the rate post mapping. Okay, if you are a new user, right, these all details will be stored inside your database. Okay, in the next time assume that let me open a Facebook. Now you can go and edit your profile details. Whenever you click see edit workplace, right, whenever you're giving all the details, whenever you save this one, okay, for your employee ID, that means your Facebook ID, all these details will be updated internally. It will be hit at the rate put mapping. Okay, these are the real-time examples. Wherever you are doing any update operation in the UI based, then internally it will be called at the rate put mapping with specific URL. Okay, that URL you need to configure based on your primary key. I hope you guys are clear. Okay, how you need to develop, we'll see in the next tutorial. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and hit subscribe button. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next tutorial.